In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive waiting to upload error. If you've ever watched a file sit there with a waiting to upload message and wondered what to do, this guide will walk you through clear, practical steps to get things moving again. First, open Google Drive the straightforward way. From any Google page, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares you see near the top of the screen, and then click Drive. Opening Drive directly from the Google Apps menu gives you a clean start and can refresh the upload queue. Once Drive is open, give it a moment to load fully before trying your upload again, so everything on the page initializes properly. If that doesn't help, try opening your Drive in another browser. Sometimes the browser you're using runs into a temporary hiccup, maybe an update didn't finish, or an extension is interfering. And switching to another browser provides a fresh environment. The exact same Drive account will be there, and a different browser can often handle the upload more smoothly. If you're already using an alternative browser, simply swap back to your usual one and try again. Next, take a moment to check your internet connection because a slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons uploads get stuck. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure your signal is strong. If possible, move closer to your router or pause any bandwidth-heavy streaming or downloads while you upload. If you're on mobile data, ensure you have a solid signal and that data is enabled, as weak connectivity can cause Drive to pause and wait. If you're still having trouble, restart your phone. A quick restart clears temporary glitches, refreshes your network connection, and resets background processes that could be blocking the upload without you realizing it. After the restart, open Drive again and try the upload one more time. Finally, consider your storage space. If you're at or near your storage limit, Drive can show a waiting to upload message because there isn't enough room for new files. Delete files you no longer need to free up space. Large videos, duplicate archives, or old documents you've already backed up elsewhere are good candidates. Remember that trash still counts towards storage until it's emptied, so removing items you truly don't need can quickly open up space and let your upload continue. Follow these steps in order, and you should see your files start moving again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your uploads back on track.